Week 15. Let's talk about a few things. First, got to talk about Week 14. What happened? Cincy remains hot. New England in the hunt. Miami still in there. New Orleans and Breeze, offensive powerhouse. Key loss, Carolina. Now to Week 15, where we go. Denver, big loss to SD. Open door for New England. Cincy versus Pitt, big game. Like Cincy, like the young QB, they should do well there. Green Bay, Dallas. Aaron Rodgers not playing. Even though Dallas has been suspect on D, I'm still going with the big D to handle this one. Finally, Washington, Atlanta. Game has no consequence, but Washington letting a lot of heat from the Shanahans. Got to perform. Atlanta feeling good about that big win over in Buffalo. Let's see what happens. But I'm liking Atlanta. Tell you the truth. Washington's going to play well, but I think Atlanta wins. So also we can say the road to the playoffs is right here in P&P. This is daily. 2 fingers, and I'm gone.